Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on the guitar, so let's get started. Today's song we're going to use just 4 chords for this. I also had the tabs on there so you guys can clearly see what I'm playing. So the first chord is a B flat minor 7. So don't forget the X means not to play that string. So the second chord is an E flat with a flat 9. I think that's how you call it. And then the third chord is the A flat major 7. And then the last chord, this is going to be an A diminished 7. Okay, so. And those are going to be the 4 chords that we're going to use into this whole entire song. Alright, so came up with an easy strum pattern that you guys can do. Pattern basically is down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And in that first down, up, we're also going to mute the string. So it goes down, up, mute, and down, down, up. Okay. So I have the chords on the screen. You guys can follow along. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That actually, so you're trying to sing it, you want to transpose it, all you gotta do is you can move it down, move it up. So if we were to go up, so it's good for that because you can go up and down the fretboard on that. And that is how you play this song. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.